Okay, good morning, Professor. So this is Cynthia Futso, and I'm presenting this morning my assignment 2. So I'll first do a demo of the files we have, and basically what we have in the files, and then we'll go to running the app. So as files, we first implemented the 2 activities as required. So we do have basically the Kotlin files here and the XML just for the visual appealing ones. So for the main activity, so this is what we do have. So basically we did a business inquiry form. We have some text views, first name, last name, company name, contact person, and inquiry details, and the save inquiry button. So we do have the details here, and basically what it does once we click on the button save, it basically saves our details, and we implemented the intent to send this inquiry details to the second activity as requested, and we as well implemented the log files. So on create, on start, resume, pause, stop, destroy, and on restart, the same thing was done in activity 2. So as mentioned here, we used serialize basically to pass the data from the first activity to the second one, and yeah, that was implemented here. Pass as inquiry details. This is what appears on the second activity using the intent, and also we do have all our log files here. We see how it works when we run the app. And after this, we do have our fragments. So that was activity 2 where it shows the details. So we do have 2 fragments. So we do have a main fragment which basically implements the main page with the login and sign up button. Basically what it does, once we do click on each of the buttons, how it opens them. So for the login fragment, we do have some information. So email, we implemented a spinner, a button that tells you to go to sign up if you haven't signed up yet, and another button that basically shows the requested value. So for the spinner, we use fruits to allow the user to choose the his fruits, like the fruits he wants or he likes basically. And then we used toast to display the selected fruit once he chooses that on the login form. Implemented the spinner, what it does when we do click, so that's what it says the selected fruit is, and we have a placeholder here that would choose the fruit, and it will just appear shortly, basically not for a long duration. And yeah, basically what it does as well, when the user clicks on go to sign up, then it will bring the user to the other fragment, which is the sign up fragment, and the informations that will be passed already using the bundle are the email and the selected information. For the spinner, that's the fruit he chose, and then that's what is going to be displayed on the sign up fragment. So email spinner, and then once he clicks on the sign up button, it will tell you thank you for signing up if he entered a password. If not, it will ask the user to please enter a password. So we'll just run the app to see how it appears basically. I'll run it from my phone. Gradle is just building. Okay, so here is our main fragment page. We do have the 2 buttons. So once we go on login, automatically we had the toast that told us that Apple was chosen. So we'll first enter the details on the fragment. Just enter my Seneca email. That's it. And then to choose your preferred fruit below, I'm gonna choose cherry, and then it tells me by toast that the selected fruit is cherry. And let's say I haven't logged in, I want to sign up. I'm gonna click here where it says need to sign up, click here. Then it brings me to the sign up fragment, already populating my email and the selected fruit as a text view here. So let's say I enter ABC 123, and then once I hit sign up, it tells me thank you for signing up. So that's it for the fragments and the spinner. So the last thing, we'll just go to the activity. I'll just populate that here. And then I'll rerun the app. And we need to just do the lock cut here to basically see. Well, on my phone the display is okay. I don't know why. Maybe let me just stop and rerun it. Okay, weird. So we do have the business inquiry forms. I'll just quickly enter my details here. I'm just typing that on the phone with the issue I had. So company, let's see, Alliance, contact person, Daniel, Odette as supervisor. And then say I would like to purchase an insurance policy. And that's it. And once I go to save inquiry, as you saw, it brings me to contact details here. I'm not seeing the arrow to just go back, but basically, yep, if we want to do the lock cut here, so for, let me just see, one moment. Yeah, I'm on activity 2 right now, so it tells me, it gives me the details for activity 2. And then once I go back here and then check for main activity, we can have its lock cut details here. So that's it for today's presentation and for this assignment. Thank you.